What's up, guys? It is time. It is time.
We're here.
We're here.
We're actually here.
We're doing it. We got our boat loaded up here. We're going to be launching this boat today. Y'all been with us along this journey as we built the boat and kind of put it together and everything. And, well, here we go. It's time to put it to the test. So I want you to, be with us on this video because I don't know what's going to happen. We'll see. But let's get this boat unstrapped.
Okay, now let's film them struggling to get out.
For sure. This is the angle I'll take.
Jordan. Why don't we just light it out? Yeah. Here, yeah. Pick it up like that. Yeah, this boat's heavy. I hope it floats.
Put it in the water, just sinks.
Alright, hold on into that question.
Right there.
What if it don't float? Alright.
Alright guys, here we go. Let's go. I don't know if we can do both of us or not. We're gonna fall right off the bat.
Alright, well, you're both on it. Oh, they're gonna find out.
Thank you.
No, here we go.
I'm sure they always do.
So you're sinking a little bit.
Oh no.
Oh
Oh no.
no.
Y'all are still stirring up mud, so that ain't right.
We're taking on water.
We're going under.
We're doing it. We'll see. We're taking a lot of water though.
They're going in the
Keep it balanced, buddy. Keep it balanced. We're taking on water. Alright guys. Well, we're doing it. And we're not sinking, so we're taking a lot of water though. It's scaring. Quit moving. Oh. Alright. Oh, my life jacket. This is difficult. I see that. Oh gosh.
Oh, next bet. Who goes in first?
I don't know. I can't decide. I have a feeling
You're gonna have to go after your little
I
lucky
think it's
vest.
gonna kind of be a simultaneous thing. You have to move
I know. Alright guys, well, as you can see, the boat is floating somewhat. We are taking a lot of water on top of it, but we are indeed floating. So, I don't know, what, Jordan, you think this is a success?
Yes, much better than I planned.
Yeah, we're not swimming. We expected to be swimming and we're not. So, that's pretty good. Jordan, I think we should go around that pole. Alright. I'll go first. Alright guys, we're going to paddle our way around this pole. Oh my god, the water's so cold.
Their next adventure, they're going for the pole. Danger noodle.
Y'all need to fire up the engines.
They're just turning because they don't have to say. In a canoe.
Oh gosh, guys. This is scary. Yeah. Which means we're gonna have to, you know what we have to do, Jordan. Hey, Matt! Oh, no! No! Don't get all the way out here and tip us. Oh.
Oh. Ooh.
No.
Don't get all the way out here and tip us.
Y'all realize it's getting more waterlogged?
Now what do we do? Now what?
They're stuck.
I can't believe
Ladies and gentlemen, they have made it out and they are stuck.
Yeah. Okay, let me get that one. Yeah.
No! Why do I feel like we're sinking further?
You are.
Travis, every time you paddle, you are putting all the water onto your raft. That's why you're sinking. That's why you're sinking, babe.
That makes sense.
That makes sense. There's a big rock right here. We're totally gonna hit this rock. Hold on.
What feet?
Is it cold? Kind of an afterthought here. They might have should have tied a rope on it. They could have thrown up here to one of us.
Oh! I gotta help
Which
them.
one of us would have done that? Who's gonna pull them in?
Me and Bailey are very busy watching.
Yeah. Pull them in? No, not me. We're gonna help them in, but I mean, it's kind of an afterthought.
You're just gonna have to jump off.
Oh my
Oh.
God.
Oh.
Jordan! Oh, Jordan left him to... Travis left Jordan to... Woo! Okay. Yay! Y'all did it!
Good job, buddy.
Well, that was.
Now.
Alright guys. Well, you saw that the boat was actually a very big success. It floated,
We
surprisingly.
didn't tip it over.
Look, I want it to be known, every single person here said it wouldn't float, we were going to sink. Who was right? Who was right?
It was the man who wore shorts because pants would be too heavy when they got wet.
I was being precautious. Precautious.
And that's why your life preservers lower than
Yeah.
Okay. Check.
But guys, the boat floated, which is really cool. We had a pretty fun time taking it out here. It was pretty neat. Let us know if you want to see stuff like this again. I mean, we're happy to do pretty cool videos like this, or try something different, or I don't know, build another boat. Who knows?
Boat 2.0.
Boat 2.0. One that maybe,
Aerodynamics.
yeah, aerodynamics. So, if you're liking these videos, guys, make sure to leave us a thumbs up on the video, drop us some comments, and then, of course, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, guys. Until next time, guys, keep it real.